So how do we actually connect our PlayStation 4 here to our laptop or PC via the HDMI cable? Well, the first thing you need to do is to go into Google. Here, as you can see, I'm just gonna show you real quick. You need to go into Google and then you need to search for OBS right here and then click on this link. And then you need to get the OBS software for your PC. So you need to click on Windows to be able to get that specific software. I'm gonna show you exactly how it looks. So you can see when I actually start it up now, this is how it's going to look, just so you know. Now what you need to do, by the way, is that you're going to grab your HDMI cable, of course, and one of the ends needs to go inside your PlayStation 4 here, as you can see, but the other end of your HDMI cable actually needs to go to a video or game capture card here, as you can see. So I'm just gonna insert it, I believe it's right here. Perfect. So this one right here, this is what's going to help us to be able to stream our gameplay to our PC or laptop via the HDMI cable. So this end, I'm just going to insert it into my laptop here now. I believe it's right here. Perfect. So now when I've done so, I'm just going to go back to the OBS software here now, and then click on the plus symbol right here, and then click on the video capture device. Then click on OK. And then device here, I'm just gonna change to my game capture card here. And then I'm just gonna scroll all the way down and then click on output desktop audio here and then click on OK. And then I'm just gonna right click right here and then click on open source project and then display it right here. And now, without any problems, I can play my PlayStation 4 here on my laptop, as you can see. By the way, if you want to be able to get this specific game capture card, so this is the cheapest one that I was able to find that actually works really well, and I have left a link for it down below in my description. And yes, it is an affiliate link and I may earn a small commission if you purchase through it, just so you know, but at no extra cost to you. But basically this is exactly how I was able to do so.